Vanilla Kipfel or tiny vanilla crescents are popular Christmas cookies in Germany and Austria. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. These delicious cookies are pricey in shops, but actually they are really easy to make and they will be way better than what you can find at bakery stands. So let's get going. We need 300 grams all-purpose flour to bake 2 batches. Place the flour in a mound on your working surface. Add a pinch of salt. 150 grams almond flour. 100 grams powdered sugar. If your sugar is left unsealed from previous use like mine, chances are it is crumbled and you need to sift it first. Then add it to the rest. A wee mix. And next I add 250 grams unsalted butter to it. It should be softened in advance in the room temperature for 60 minutes. I cut it in 25 grams chunks. Crack an egg inside and incorporate the flour with butter and egg until the dough forms. And then start roll a cylinder form. Dust the board with flour to prevent the dough from sticking to it. I cut it in half to work with it easier. Make sure to form each cylinder evenly 3.5 cm in diameter. Then cover them in plastic wrap and refrigerate them for 120 minutes. Luckily, it's very cold outside and I can rest them in the balcony instead, more spacious than the fridge. After the resting time, unpack and slice them in 1.5 cm pieces. It is almost the size of a big banana slice. Line your baking sheet with a parchment paper and start forming the cookies like this. Roll it between the palm of your hands gently, and then put it on a board and form a crescent, fat in the middle and pointy on both ends. Easy, right? Of course, forming any kind of cookie asks for patience, which some people don't have. But don't be lazy, the effort is worth it. Repeat until you have 30 cookies in a baking sheet. You just need a little bit space between them, they rise not much. I put them in the 175 Celsius preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes and start prepping the coating mixture. Mix 30 grams powdered sugar, 50 grams vanilla sugar, and 4 heaped tablespoon granulate sugar. If you watch my baked apple video, you might know I use the vanilla pods to make my own vanilla sugar. Right away after the cookies come out of the oven, you must coat them with the mixture while they're still warm. Turn them in the sugar mix and arrange them on a cooling rack. After they cool down, you can put them in a dish of your choice. Cookie tins, glass jars, or if you have someone like my wife at home, even a bowl without lid would work, because they won't last long. They smell amazing, and their simple innocent shape is so cute. Let's try one. It's very tender. While it's crispy, you can see the texture is not dried at all. That vanilla taste gives them the name and the fame. We bake this and that cookie every Christmas, but we never skip vanilla Kipfel. Super simple and tremendously delicious. Try it. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified when we have a new recipe. Thanks for watching.